Alright, we're back at it. Let's go. I was on this yesterday. I called this. I don't know why I didn't fix this. But yeah, 1 to 3, 57. It's cool. And then right now, read all this. Started to buy back up. So Thursday, 3 in the morning, this was your move. You would have got in like this. On 3, 5 hours. I can sell again around these retracements. And then I'm gonna do the more realistic ones because sometimes y'all might just see it like this. Let me see. This right here is still going up. You got high, low, high, low. High, low, high, low, high. Then you like this. So this is how you would capitalize this. When you broke this is your entry. Three right here. Thursday from 10 a.m. to 11:30. Then you could have held it. Come back up on the 4 hour. That's what the entry we did here. When we got to the top up here, you could have sold. Because it broke this. On the 3 from the 9th to the 10th, so one day held this. This was another one. I don't know how I got over there. I missed one. Broke above the high, so we selling. One to three. It's 7 to the 8, so 1 day. And you could have held. We throw the fibs in. Hold on. Manipulated some of this down, but even up here, if you was to hold, you would have got in here like this. And then since you know it broke them, this is next. This would have been your little buy. One to three. Same day. Look how I look on the 4 hour. So, all here. Both ways, so it'll be a sell. And then I'm show one more. Show right now. Look like almost doing the same thing. Okay, get ready for the big sale. So you got boom, 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 boom. So market is in between these. So we broke this low right here. Get ready to buy. Broke this low. Get ready to buy. Any one of these entries straight, so you got it in here. One and three like that, could have held it. And then you know it's in a downtrend, so went up, didn't break this. It's me all this hell. Any one of these, so you got it over here. 1, 2, 3. Just 1 day. So yeah, some easy shit. You wouldn't get in no trade right now because it's in between 1 and 2 of these two highs. I mean, it's high and it's low. So anything in here is noise. Noise. Only time you get into the trade, if you break below this, get ready to buy it. If you break above this, get ready to sell it.